Welcome to our strategic guide on hydrogen supply financial modeling, designed for developers, consultants, and investors. This presentation will help you make data-driven decisions in the clean energy transition. As the world accelerates towards decarbonization, green hydrogen has emerged as a cornerstone technology in the clean energy transition. Developers now face a critical strategic question: should you buy hydrogen from suppliers or produce it yourself? Choosing between hydrogen procurement and self-production involves complex trade-offs. Factors like electricity prices, capital expenditure requirements, plant utilization rates, and policy incentives all play a role in this strategic decision. When deciding whether to buy or produce hydrogen, consider the pros and cons. Buying offers no capital expenditure and faster scale up, but exposes you to price volatility. Producing hydrogen provides price control and carbon credits, but involves high capital expenditure and regulatory risks. Financial modeling transforms complex strategic decisions into quantified, data-driven insights. Our approach covers hydrogen procurement cost analysis, production co-modeling, demand forecasting, and comparative investment analysis, allowing you to evaluate trade-offs with numbers, not opinions. Our first model simulates the financial benefits of securing lower-price hydrogen supply contracts over time. It's essential for evaluating strategic procurement opportunities and negotiating optimal contract terms. The procurement model requires key inputs such as contract price, market price, annual volume, contract duration, and discount rate. These factors are crucial for accurate financial simulations. Let's look at an example calculation. With an old price of $7.00/kg and a new contract of $5.00/kg, you can save $36.5 million annually. Use Excel's NPV function to calculate the present value of future savings. Our second model calculates the true cost of producing hydrogen internally using electrolyzers powered by renewables or grid electricity. This becomes your benchmark to compare against any supply contract. The LCOH model requires parameters like electrolyzer CapEx, system size, electricity cost, efficiency, capacity factor, and project life. These are essential for determining the levelized cost of hydrogen. Consider this scenario: a 20 megawatts electrolyzer with $1,000/kW CapEx and 50 kilowatt-hours consumption at $0.04/kWh electricity. The LCOH, including O&M, is calculated at $4.50/kg, providing a clear cost analysis. Enhance your LCOH model with advanced features like revenue per kilogram sold calculation, total operating cost breakdown, and metrics such as IRR, NPV, and payback period. Explore different electrolyzer types and integrate carbon credit revenue. Understanding hydrogen demand growth over time is critical for site expansion planning, electrification policy impacts, new offtake agreement evaluation, and production scale optimization. Our model forecasts demand and expansion. Our demand forecast projects growth from 2025 to 2027, with annual volumes increasing significantly. Include ESG overlays to account for CO2 displaced per kilogram of hydrogen used. Our fourth model delivers strategic clarity by comparing procurement versus self-production costs. It provides comprehensive metrics and sensitivity analysis for informed decision-making. Explore comparison scenarios between supply contracts and internal production. Consider factors like CapEx, hydrogen cost, O&M costs, and equipment replacement timelines to make strategic decisions. Key metrics for comparison include total cost over 20 years, NPV and IRR, payback period, and sensitivity analysis. Use Excel functions like NPV and IRR for detailed financial evaluations. Explore bonus models for advanced analysis, including multi-site portfolio management, hybrid models balancing sourcing and production, and ESG and carbon credits tracking for emissions revenue. Hydrogen modeling must consider national and regional policy frameworks. For example, the US offers Clean Hydrogen PTCs, DOE loan guarantees, and state-level grants. Simulate incentive phase-outs and permitting delays for comprehensive analysis. Our professional templates are in various stages of development, offering features like sensitivity analysis, NPV calculators, and emissions tracking. These tools are designed to enhance your hydrogen financial modeling capabilities. In the fast-paced world of consulting and investing, having the right tools is crucial. These models are designed to help you structure credible business cases with robust financial foundations, optimize LCOH in real time during client engagements, and test assumptions before making capital commitments. They also demonstrate investor-grade IRRs and DSCRs for fundraising and help in building bankable pitch decks with quantified value propositions. Unlock the potential of your hydrogen knowledge by transforming it into revenue streams. Whether through client deliverables like custom models for project evaluations, digital products such as downloadable template packages, or training programs offering masterclasses and certification courses, there are numerous ways to monetize your expertise. To effectively transform your hydrogen business, a systematic financial modeling approach is essential. Start by building core LCOH and procurement models, then develop demand forecasting capabilities. Create comprehensive comparison frameworks, integrate policy incentives and ESG metrics, and finally, scale to portfolio-level analysis. Each phase is a step towards a more robust and financially sound hydrogen strategy. Hydrogen is not just the future of clean energy, its economics are unfolding right now. Developers cannot afford guesswork when making billion-dollar decisions. Financial models provide the clarity, credibility, and confidence needed for supply chain optimization, electrolyzer sizing decisions, expansion strategies, and investment allocation. Are you ready to transform your hydrogen strategy? Start with our comprehensive LCOH Excel template, which is available now. It offers complete production cost analysis with sensitivity scenarios. And stay tuned for what's coming soon: supply comparison, portfolio planning, and ESG tracking models, all in development to further enhance your strategic approach.